India's journey to space began not in the 20th century, but in the minds of ancient thinkers. From ancient texts like the Sulba Sutras and Surya Siddhant, Indian scholars charted celestial movements and applied geometry far before modern science took form. Trigonometry, the decimal system, and zero, world-changing mathematical gifts were all conceived here, fueling both ancient observations and our future in the stars. This legacy of knowledge has evolved into a bold era of space exploration, from Chandrayaan-3's lunar triumph to developing Gaganyaan's astronaut module. India's space program stands on the shoulders of millennia of scientific thought. From modest beginnings, where rocket parts were carried on bicycles, India built a launch legacy. The PSLV became our workhorse, the GSLV lifted heavier dreams, and the SSLV, our most agile rocket, opened access for startups and space commerce. In 2008, Chandrayaan-1 confirmed water on the moon. In 2019, Chandrayaan-2 fell just short of a soft landing. But in 2023, the world watched in awe as Chandrayaan-3 softly touched the moon's south pole, a global first. India was also the first Asian nation to reach Mars and the only one to do it on the first attempt. In 2024, India launched its first mission to study the sun, Aditya L1. Positioned at Lagrange Point 1, it continuously watches solar storms and space weather, helping protect satellites and power grids on Earth. On July 30, 2025, a monumental chapter began with the launch of NISAR, the NASA-ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar mission, the most powerful Earth imaging satellite ever built. NISAR seamlessly blends NASA's L-band and ISRO's S-band radars into a dual-frequency powerhouse, offering high-resolution data every 12 days, rain, clouds, or darkness notwithstanding. This cutting-edge mission promises to revolutionize our understanding of Earth's dynamics, from glacier melt and land deformation to ecosystem changes and disaster response. NISAR is a game changer. India's presence beyond Earth became tangible this year, with Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, the first ISRO astronaut to visit the International Space Station, joining Axiom 4 mission. From June 25 to July 15, 2025, he conducted scientific experiments, contributed to outreach programs, and documented his experience to benefit India's future human spaceflight ambitions. His return was met with national celebrations, welcomed at the airport, received by dignitaries, and personally felicitated by Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, who received the mission patch and the tricolour that orbited with Shukla in space. India's space odyssey is far from over, with the Gaganyaan human spaceflight on the horizon, a national space station in development, and ambitions for interplanetary missions. India stands ready not just to explore space, but to lead it. In the skies, we place satellites. Beyond the skies, we place our dreams. From Sulba Sutras to space stations, from decimal zero to dual band radar, India stands poised at the frontier of exploration. Our odyssey continues.